ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఒక మాట చెప్పాలంటే యువర్ హనీమూన్ పీరియడ్ ఇస్ ఫినిష్. యూ అండర్స్టాండ్? హనీమూన్ పీరియడ్ ఫినిష్ అయిందంటే ఇప్పుడు మీకు కష్టపడాలి. ఒక 2 years చేయండి. డోంట్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ ఇన్ ఏ వేరే. ఇప్పుడు కాలేజ్ అయిపోయింది కదా, రిలాక్స్గా ఉంటాం, కొంచెం తిరుగుదాం. డోంట్ డూ దట్. పుట్ యువర్ ఎఫర్ట్ ఇన్ దిస్ 2 years. ఎందుకంటే మీరు డిగ్రీ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఒక 2 years గ్యాప్ వచ్చిందనుకో, కంపెనీ వాళ్ళు అడుగుతారు ఈ 2 yearsలో ఏం చేశారు. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫిక్స్ సమ్వేర్ ఇన్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. దానికోసం మీరు కష్టపడాలి. ఈ 2 years కష్టపడండి, మిగతా మొత్తం లైఫ్ మీరు మంచిగా ఉంటుంది. యూ వోంట్ హ్యావ్ దట్ మచ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. ఓకే. అండ్ అదర్ థింగ్, life is always, like you have to work hard. So what I mean to say, there are a lot of opportunities. Okay. If you ask me, I keep on saying the time will finish. Okay. So what I want to tell you all guys, what we have to do today when you go home. Okay. So let me add one more thing to that. Okay. When you ask this thing, ఈ డిగ్రీతో నేను ఏం చేయగలుగుతాను, అది ఒక ask yourself. Then if you can't find the answer, the second thing, come back to your organization. The sir is there, the whole team is there. They will help you what you can do with your degree. Okay. Aim cheyagalutharu. Okay. We'll leave our leaflets over here. Okay. I don't want to tell you more about, like you can, I told you in my speech also, నేను చెప్పిన, I'm telling you, see, don't మీరు అంత ఆలోచించకండి. ఓకే. మీ దగ్గర డబ్బులు లేవు, నేను ఎట్లా చేయాలి, సిటీకి వెళ్ళాలా, కోర్స్ చేయాలా, ఎట్లా చేద్దాం. సీ, దెర్ ఆర్ ఆల్వేస్ వేస్. మీరు జాబ్ చేసుకుని, యూ కెన్ డూ ద జాబ్, పార్ట్ టైం జాబ్, యూ కెన్ స్టడీ. యూ కెన్ ఈవెన్ అప్లై లోన్స్ అండ్ గో టు యూకే, కెనడా, ఆస్ట్రేలియా అండ్ మేక్ యువర్ ఓన్ కెరియర్. ఓకే. సినిమాస్ చూస్తారు కదా, దాంట్లో హీరో ఏదో చేసుకుంటారు. Yes, I don't want to say that, but what I mean to say, see, life is you have to work hard. మీరు వర్క్ హార్డ్ చేస్తేనే యూ విల్ రీచ్ సంథింగ్. ఓకే. సో there are 2 things today you have to take. So everybody will shout with me. Okay. Shout it like everybody should hear it. Beside every building they should hear that what you want to say. You will feel good. సినిమాస్లో చూస్తారు కదా, అది బ్రేకప్ అయితే షౌటింగ్ చేసి చెప్పాలంటారు కదా, చూసారు కదా. సో లెట్స్ డూ దట్. ఓకే. సో షౌట్లీ యూ విల్ ఫీల్ వెరీ గుడ్. ట్రస్ట్ మీ ఆనెస్ట్. ఓకే. వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ హోమ్, ఏం తీసుకోవాలి ఈరోజు పోయి ఏం అడగాలి మనం. ఎస్. అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ చెప్తే దాని గురించి యూ హ్యావ్ టు గెట్ ద ఆన్సర్. ఓకే. If you don't get the answer, come back to your organization, they will help you. Okay. You understand? Yes. Okay. So, anything else? We're still here after this. You can ask us questions, anything. Our staff is there as well. So, they are our experts. They will guide you in the best way. Okay. They have guided a lot of students who are went to Canada, UK, Australia and everywhere. So, they can definitely guide you. So, if you have time, don't rush back home. Take the opportunity, ask us question, anything you want, we will here to help. Okay. Thank you very much and hope you will have your best careers. Okay.
Good morning everyone. Today I would like to emphasize on 2 things, like what before joining a job and after joining a job, how you have to approach life. Like once before joining an organization, like there are various chances for us, like as people who spoke before me, they said there are various sectors where we can get into, but where you want to be there, first decide it. Once you decide it, a lot of headache is gone, because once you decide what you want to do, then you can put all your energy into it. Obviously, then you'll definitely achieve it. If not today, it may take time, because consistency is important. Once you are consistently daily, if you show up to learn something, then obviously you'll learn that thing. Maybe in not 1 month time, maybe not in 2 months time. Definitely after 5 months and 6 months, you'll definitely become an expert in it. Everyone should start from zero. Obviously, there is nothing like, I know I'll pick a book and I'll know everything about it. You have to read, understand, comprehend it, and then only we will move forward. That's how things works. So don't fear that I don't know anything and all. You can definitely achieve things. It's starting from zero and then only you'll build up slowly. First you need to build a strong base, then you can leverage them on what you can do with that job. And then next, and then in this process, like you'll not actually like once to get into a job, it's not that simple because there are a lot of things which should fall into place. It is definitely a painful process, but it definitely yields the results in same way because as much as the journey is very important. You need to enjoy that journey before joining a job because that's how you learn things. Once you learn things, then you'll be implementing things. Failure is very important. As now I am speaking here, but even I failed. Like I came here as an MBBS student, but I felt like we don't have semesters, we have years. Like I failed in my university exam and then supplementary exam is there. I failed even in that. It's not about failing, it's about what you are learning from failures. That's what is going to help you. Because there are a lot of people who are failing. It's not important, but what you learn from that phase, how you are going to implement that knowledge, how you are moving forward with that knowledge. That's what it is important. Even today I didn't complete my degree, but it's not a problem because I know what I want to do. So I can move in that direction. Maybe I'll be slow. Maybe I'll complete 2 years after, 1 year after. That's not a big problem because we have 40 years, 70 years, 100 years of life. So don't think that there is no time and it's all your laziness. Definitely saying that because you have definitely time. How you want to use that time is your choice. So like a lot of people spend a lot of time on social media. That's not the right thing. It's like you have to plan things. Like if I spend 6 hours on educational content, then I can spend 1 hour on social media. It's the right thing. But I'll do 10 hours of social media and 1 hour of learning. It's not the right thing to do. Take proper breaks in your way. But don't build your career between the breaks. Take breaks between career. Don't build career between the breaks. And yeah, at the end of this day, before joining a job, what is important is the journey, as I said. You need to enjoy this journey. Only then you will move forward. If you keep like, okay, this is my life, it's not moving good, and how I want to achieve things, that's not how it works. Because we need to move forward. You have to take it as a challenge. Only then you will move forward. My life is not good. You will feel overwhelming. That's not common things. You will feel overwhelmed. Everyone has a job, and it's difficult to do every job. Every job has a difficulty. But what makes that difficult job easy? Because once you want to do the job, if you have passion, then things become easy. You can work, like currently I am studying 16 hours a day. But how does it work? How can I study 13 hours a day, 16 hours a day? Because I have passion. I don't get bored. I can study the things continuously. Because I want to learn things. You have to have that hunger for knowledge. Only then you will move forward. You can learn one thing and you can feel satisfied for the day. Okay, today I completed one lecture of 1 hour. Okay, let's be chilled. Okay. Then what happens if, for example, if you pick up a course and it has 100 topics, and what happens? Today I study one topic, tomorrow I will study one topic, then you will move on. Like 100 days it talks. So what happens? Okay, that's one thing. But I will do this thing. What? First there are 100 topics now, so I will study one topic, and I will take a break of 1 hour or 2 hours. Then I will study another topic. So in this way, I can complete 2 to 3 topics in a day. Obviously, I will complete the course which was designed for 100 days in 30 days itself. It's your choice what you want to do. No one will tell you. You have to be like this. It's all your psychological. It's more based on that. And then this is before joining an organization. You definitely have pain. It's very difficult, obviously, but you have to endure it. Then only you can leverage on those learnings. Learn and then implement them when you join an organization. Okay. Then post joining an organization. Okay. Once I join an organization. Okay. Then what to do? Before joining an organization, you acquire the technical skills. So everyone. Okay. Hundreds of people are working in organization. So everyone has those technical skills. But then what is going to take you forward? What is going to make you stand out? Then comes the part of communication skills and your conceptual skills. Everyone knows, like for example, like take data sciences, artificial intelligence. These are all open source now. Everyone has knowledge, but how you are going to use that knowledge. The application of knowledge is very important. Knowledge is not important. Wisdom. How you can apply the knowledge is wisdom. So that wisdom is important. You should have wisdom beyond your age. Then you will move forward in your life very fastly. That growth will be there. And then there are two things, like once you join in an organization, you will move into, like, for example, say a manager. So then there will be again balancing of two things, emotions and logic. And you have to work with people who are interns and who are above your level. So what happens? You need to work with people who have just one degree. You need to have